everyone, it's Lou Collins. Welcome to another Papercraft Society box reveal. This month we have a Papercraft Society box designed by Sam Calcott of Made to Surprise. As always, I've not delved into this box yet. I do it live with you as such in this video, so I've no idea what's going to be in here. But from the box, from the cover there, we can really start to see maybe the sort of theme. I'm thinking lots of food, lots of drink, maybe picnic, looking at the gingham in the background. So very excited to get into here. Now, if you want more details about everything that's inside the Papercraft Society box, go along to craftstash.co.uk and you'll find Papercraft Society under the brands. We'll link this down in the description below for you as well. And if you are not already a subscriber to this, then if you subscribe before the 20th of April, this will be the first box that you will receive. If you subscribe after that, from the 21st of April onwards, you would receive the next box in line. Okay, so let's take a look. We are looking at box number 56. So we are really getting through lots and lots of boxes. I hope you've all been inspired by the ones in the past and excited about the ones in the future. Get lost in your world of creativity. There's a little note from Sam there. So as you can see, each one of the Papercraft Society boxes has a wallet with the name on the side. I tend to put everything into this wallet I possibly can. I flatten the box, I reuse it for storage, for postage, things like that. And then I keep the wallet and I keep them in my bookshelf so that I can see the spine, so that I can grab the ones I want really easily. So I'm going to go through the wallet first, but as always, there's more items under the tissue paper in here. So let's just put that to the side for a moment and we'll go through those in a little while. We have got a lot of fruit on here. This is really making me feel very summery. So let's see, add a little pop-up fun to your cards. Now, of course, this is from Made to Surprise. We'd kind of expect maybe something a little bit kinetic. So let's see what we've got. I think, should we start with the dies? Since we've mentioned pop-up, picnic fun and time in the sun, and a box of goodies for all year round. So we've got lots of elements here. We've got something that looks like a mechanism. Okay, I can't tell what it is at the moment, but this looks like it might be a handle, perhaps. But then again, this might be. So we're going to find out in the booklet, I'm sure, what this shape makes. So stay tuned for that. Then we've got the bottle of wine, the glass of wine, or it could be any bubbly, of course. Fruit, we've got florals, we've got foliage in there as well. We've got mats and layers for this panel too. Okay, so then let's go over to our stamps, and if I've got a white background on these papers, which I have, we can have a look at the stamps. So we have got apple, strawberry, orange or lemon, I suppose, depending on how you colour it. Cupcake, we've got the watermelon, the cherries, butterfly, and then we've got sending a basket. Okay, so maybe this makes a basket, a hamper, a picnic basket. That would make sense. A picnic is one of life's simple pleasures, lazy summer days. A picnic and friends is the perfect blend, and sunshine and celebrations. Now, looking at this, we've got an apple there. I don't think they're the outline dies for these, though. It looks like they are separate. So we've got separate stamps and dies as well, which is good fun. So we've got lots of options there. We have got, under the stamps, some glitter cardstock. Let's see if it's all one colour or if we've got multiples in there. So we've definitely got this gorgeous lime green in a no shed glitter, because I know Papercraft Society has the no shed totally smooth glitter. So if you don't like the feel of glitter, but you love the look of it, this is perfect. So we've got two in that lime green, and we've got two in hot pink as well. Very much Sam Calcott colours, aren't they? So that's one side of the wallet. And then we've got, I would call this a basket weave embossing folder. This looks like it's A6 in size, and it's going to emboss the pattern of a picnic basket. It's all coming together, isn't it? It's all making sense. And then, of course, we've got some gingham pattern paper. I'm not sure if it's all gingham or if we've got some other patterns in there. So again, let's just take a little look. So we've got the blue gingham that we've got on the background. We have got pink. We've got yellow as well. And then it looks like we're repeating those three colours as well. Perfect colours to all go together. Right, so that's everything in the wallet. Let's now take a look in the tissue paper. I love that Sam's got hot pink tissue paper, of course. And let's see what's inside here. So, as always, I say, like, always reuse the tissue paper. Right, okay, so we've got ephemera. Look at these. So these are all those icons that we've already seen within the stamps, within the dies, plus lots more. So we've got tablecloth, baguette, watermelon slice. We have got, oh, there's so many here. We've even got the cutlery as well. I love this. Loving that. Lots and lots. We've also got florals in here as well. I've made a complete mess because I've got them all out now. Look at this. So we've got blankets, that's the word, tablecloths and blankets. We've got plates, we've got bottles of wine. I know it's wine because it's got grapes on. So grape juice, flower pots. There's like, oh look, we've even got a ladybird in there as well. I'm not going to be putting all of these away again. I'm going to just pop them to the side now. On a bottle of water to go with the bottle of wine there. And then we've got an envelope of something jingling around. Let's just get into the envelope and see what's in here. So, oh, these are so cute. These are like your tiny, tiny little polymer clay fruit embellishments. How cute are they? Okay, so let me just adjust the focus on my camera so I can show you these really close up. So look at these. So we've got cherries, we've got kiwi, we've got lemon, watermelon, pineapple, oranges, pink grapefruit. They're absolutely stunning. We've even got an avocado there, and they are tiny, tiny little embellishments. They are so pretty, so beautiful. I love these. And there is an envelope jam packed full of them. Now these are going to make really fun shaker cards or small. That is the tiniest strawberry I've ever seen in my life. But they're going to make really fun embellishments. Back into the box, we've got, looks like either stickers or washi sheets here in ribbon strips. Let's have a look at the material. I think they're washi. Let's just have a look. Yes, so they've got a slight translucency to them. You can just about see that. So we've got washi strips, 2 sheets of, and again everything's matching. How fun would that be to lay over the fruit here or the flowers with your tiny little embellishments there, your little sort of polymer clay style embellishments? That would be amazing. So I'm running out of room. There's so much in this box. I'm going to have a look at the project booklet in a minute. So we have got coordinating cardstock, bright blue, bright yellow, hot pink, a nice deep red, a grass green, and an orange. These are double-sided cardstocks. They're usually around about 190 GSM if I remember correctly, and they're white core, so you can sand them, you can tear them, you can crunch them up, and you can get lots of other effects from them as well. Then what's this? So this is craft cardstock by the looks of it. I'm going to imagine these are going to be perfect for your basket. So your basket that we've seen already with the, along with the embossing folder and the dies, that is going to be the perfect material. There's 3 sheets here, but this is really strong. Just checking I've got that right. Yeah, 3. So it feels soft. It almost feels like fabric paper, but not quite. A little bit sturdier than that. So then let's take a look inside this booklet, because this is going to show us some of the projects that have been made. There's usually one on the back. There we go. Perfect. The one on the back shows exactly what I wanted to see. That's how this mechanism that's inside the wallet works. So you create this picnic basket, you've got the handle there, and I'm going to imagine that this maybe folds flat so that it pops up when you open it, when you unfold it, but I'll take another quick look through the booklet. If you prefer not to see the booklet until you receive this, I would say look away now just for a moment. So just on the first page, we can see some other fantastic examples. This is a really good one of using that basket inside a card. So when you open the card, it looks like it all lifts up with all of that lovely food and drink inside. The booklet feels a better material than it has done before, thicker, sturdier. It feels more like a book really good quality magazine. I mean, there was never any issue with the quality of it, but it does feel thicker. I'm not sure. Let me know what you think when you receive yours. So here is how to put that basket together. Yeah, it looks like it does fold flat as well. So that's going to be a really fun gift. We've got other items here that you can create that are 3D or off the page as such. We've got some projects from Gemma as well. We've got lots. There's that card with a picnic basket inside the card. There's a lot going on here, so you can really delve in and use the photo step-by-steps and the written steps to create some beautiful project. We've got Glynis has made some beautiful cards. I love Glynis's cards. She's on the CraftStash design team. Absolutely. And Sarah Jackman Reed as well. Look beautiful. Perfect. So this is a box number 56. This is from Sam Calcott of Made to Surprise, Made to Design. Close enough. I'm going to try and attempt to put everything back in the box. I need to now have a good sort out, but there's so much jam packed in here. If you are interested in subscribing to this box, as I say, go along to craftstash.co.uk, links down below, or papercraftsociety.co.uk, and you can find out all the details. We have different subscription terms, and there are often benefits depending on the term that you choose. Everything you can pause as well. If you are subscribed and you prefer to pause it for a month, you can absolutely do that. So go along and find out all the details, and I'll see you again this time next month for the brand new Papercraft Society box reveal.